Assalamualaikum Dr. Rijal and all my friends. We are from Group 1 and we would like to present about compound interest and annuity. Before we start, let me introduce myself and my team members. My name is Liyana binti Aisyah and I am the team leader for Group 1. Here we have Safiyah binti Muhammad Ruslan, Amanina binti Adnan, and Nur Hamizah binti Abdul Hamid. What is compound interest? Compound interest is the interest earned on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest, allowing our money to grow faster over time. Let's see explanation from Safiyah in question 1A and Amanina in question 1B and C.
Hello everyone, my name is Safiyah binti Muhammad Ruslan. Today, I will present a question related to compound interest. For the first question, Madam Rahimah wishes to invest her money in a fixed deposit account. She has two options. Bank A, 5.5% compounded quarterly. Bank B, 5.2% compounded monthly. The question is 1A. In which bank would you suggest Madam Rahimah invest RM 60,000 for 5 years? Give your reason and show your working. So, I will calculate the return for the above bank using the compound interest formula in order to determine profitable investment option for Madam Rahimah. Calculation for Bank A. P represent the principal amount, which is RM 60,000. K represent the annual interest rate of 5.5%. After dividing 5.5 by 100, we obtain 0.055. M represent the number of compounding periods per year, which is 4 because the interest is compounded quarterly. T represent the investment period, which is 5 years. I represent the interest rate per compounding period. It is calculated by dividing K by M, which is 0.055 divided by 4 equal to 0.01372. N represent the total number of compounding period. It is calculated by multiplying M by T, which is 4 multiplied by 5 equal to 20. So, I use the compound interest formula. S equal to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, raised to the power of N. After substituting all the value into the formula, the accumulated amount obtained is 78843.99011. Now, I calculate the interest earned by subtracting the principal amount from the accumulated account. Therefore, I equal to S minus P. I get 18843.99. For Bank B, the annual interest rate is 5.2%. After converting it into decimal form, K equal to 0.052. Since the interest is compounded monthly, M equal to 12. Therefore, I equal to K divided by M, which is 0.052 divided by 12, giving 0.0433. Next, N equal to M multiplied by T, which is 12 multiplied by 5, giving 16. So, after I use the same compound interest formula, S equal to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, raised to the power of N. After substituting all the value into the formula, the accumulated amount obtained is 77772.10745. Then, I calculate the interest earned using I equal to S minus P. Therefore, the interest earned is 17772.11. In conclusion, based on the calculation, I recommend that Madam Rahimah choose Bank A because it provides a higher return. Bank A generate RM 80,843.99 in interest compared to Bank B is RM 70,772.11. Therefore, Bank A is the more profitable investment option after 5 years. That's all for question 1A. I would like to invite Amanina to continue with question 1B and 1C.
Thank you, Safiyah. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amanina binti Adnan. Now, let's go to question B. If Madam Rahima invests 35,000 in Bank A for 6 years and 6 months, find the amount of interest obtained at the end of the investment period. Madam Rahima invests 35,000 in Bank A for 6 years and 6 months at the annual interest rate of 5.5% compound quarterly. First, we calculate the interest rate per quarter by divide 5.5% by 4, which given 0.01375. Then, we determine the total number of compounding period, which is 26 quarter. Next, by using the compound interest formula, we found that the accumulated amount at the end of the investment period is RM 49,919 and 54 cents. To determine the interest earned, we minus the initial investment of 35,000 from the accumulated amount. Therefore, the total interest earned by Madam Rahima after 6 years and 6 months is 14,919.54 cents. Okay, now for question C. Madam Rahima want to have 19,000 in 6.5 years. She is interested in investing in Bank B. How much should she start with? In this case, we need to find the initial amount that she should invest. The monthly interest rate is obtained by divide 5.2% by 12. And the total number of compound period is 78 months. By using the compound interest formula and rearrange itself to principal amount, we find that the amount she need to invest initial is 6434.46 cents. Therefore, Madam Rahima need to invest 6434.46 today in order to accumulate 19,000 after 6.5 years. That's all for me. Thank you.
Let's go to our second topic, annuity. What is annuity? Annuity is a series of payments, deposits or withdrawals made at equal intervals of time. For example, loan repayments and insurance policy premium. To more understanding, let's hear from Hamizah the answer in question 1 and from me in question number 2.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Hamizah binti Abdul Hamid and I will be presenting part B. Question number 1. Country Bank offers a personal loan of RM100,000 with an annual interest rate of 4.5% compounded monthly. The customer is required to repay the loan through monthly payments over a period of 10 years. Part A. Find the monthly payment. For this question, we use the formula A equals R multiplied by open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket raised to the power of negative n divided by I close bracket. In this case, A equals RM100,000, K equals 4.5% or 0.045, M equals 12, T equals 10 years, R is the monthly payment that we want to find, I equals 0.0375, N equals 120. Now, we substitute the values into the formula. 100,000 equals R multiplied by open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.00375 close bracket raised to the power of negative 120 divided by 0.00375 close bracket. After calculation, 100,000 equals 96.4893239 R. Therefore, R equals 100,000 divided by 96.4893239. Hence, R equals RM1,036.38. Therefore, the monthly payment for the loan is RM1,036.38. Part B. Settlement after the 60 payment. Immediately after making the 60 payment, the customer decided to settle the remaining balance of the loan. The remaining number of payment is n equals 120 minus 60, which gives us 60. We use the same formula. A equals R multiplied by open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket raised to the power of negative n divided by I close bracket. Substituting the values, A equals 1036 ringgit and 38 cent multiplied by open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.00375 close bracket raised to the power of negative 60 divided by 0.00375 close bracket. After calculation, A equals 1036.38 multiplied by 53.63938035. A equals 55,590 ringgit and 78 cent. The settlement amount for the loan is 55,590 ringgit and 78 cent. That is all from me. Over to you, Liyana.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur binti Ahisa and I will present question number 2.
Thank you, Hamizah. Let's discuss question number 2. Amma took out a personal loan of 85,000 ringgit and agreed to repay it through equal monthly payments over 7 years at an interest rate of 2.5% compounded monthly. Find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. For this question, we use formula A equals to R 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n over I. In this case, A is 85,000 ringgit, M is 12, T is 7, K is 2.5% or 0.025, I is 0.00208333333, N is 84. Let's try. 85,000 equals to R multiple 1 minus 1 plus 0.00208333333 to the power of negative 84 over 0.00208333333. 85,000 equals to 76.9872723 R. R equals to 85,000 over 76.9872723. R equals to 1,104 ringgit 8 cents. Let's find the total interest charge. We use formula I equals to NR minus A. I equals to 84 multiple 1,104 ringgit 8 cents minus 85,000 ringgit. I equals to 7,742 ringgit and 72 cents. The monthly payment for the loan is 1,104 ringgit and 8 cents, and the total interest charge for the loan is 7,742 ringgit 72 cents. If Amma failed to make the first 4 monthly payments, find the amount he must pay on the 5th payment date to settle all outstanding areas. Here, n equals to 5. We use formula S equals to R 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 over I. S equals to 1,104 ringgit and 8 cents multiple with 1 plus 0.00208333333 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 0.00208333333. F equals to 5,543 ringgit and 45 cents. The amount Amma must pay on the 5th payment is 5,543 ringgit and 45 cents. In conclusion, either compound interest or annuity, it helps us to choose and decide the best solution for us. Just learn and use it wisely. That's all from our team. Thank you so much.